So I'm gonna do the first drive with the M50 manifold, and also in like 3 months since this car has been suspended. It's just first impressions to what difference it makes, or what I feel, or what difference it doesn't make. So we're gonna close the boot and start the car and head out for a little drive. Warm up the car carefully because it has been sitting for a while, and then we can try if I feel a difference in horsepower. So let's close the trunk. We can get going. So we are just carefully warming up the car. So far so good, nothing drastically different. It's probably gonna take a while for the car to warm up because I have 10W60 oil and it's a cold day. So I'm not gonna go above 2000 RPM until the oil is warmed up. So I'll get back to you guys once the oil is warm and we can give it some throttle. So we got a empty piece of road so we can see what the difference is. I did feel some loss in torque on the low rev range, so now we're gonna test the high revs. Yep. It's definitely quicker, especially after 5. It's so much, pulls so much harder. We didn't remap the ECU, so we can definitely gain something there. But for now it's fine. I still need to do the exhaust before I'm gonna start doing stuff like that. It's a bit busier here. Yes. It pulls way harder at the top and you can definitely feel it. Wow, I didn't expect to feel it that much. So we can forgot how fast this car actually was, and now with the M50 manifold, oh, the manifold just made a huge difference. So I'm gonna find a spot to pull over, then I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head so you can actually see what I'm seeing. So you can see the rev. You see the rev just going up faster than usual. So that's, oh, you can definitely feel it. So I'm gonna find a spot to put the GoPro on my head and then we are gonna continue the drive. So see you guys then. Jesus. It revs so much faster, so I need to react quicker with shifting. Because if I shifted as slow as I did with the M52 manifold, I would definitely hit red line big time. around 2,500 RPM you lost some torque. But that's fine, because usually on track you're not at 2,500 revs. So we did the drive, and it was definitely faster at higher RPM. At lower RPM you can feel the torque is a little bit different, or a little bit less, but you can change that with a remap. So we might have to look into that for the future, but yeah, that was the M50 drive reaction. I'm very happy with the mod. I should have done it earlier because it's a little bit down on power. I feel like it's running a bit healthier now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.